Here I've got Nokia 510, and let me show you how to activate and use Snake game on this device. So first of all, just open menu, then locate Snake. Here it is, so just tap on choose to activate it. And now you can pick the sound. So if you choose green icon, it will be turned on, and blue is for muted. But I will turn the voice on, and now you can either play the game straight away, you can pick the level, you can choose survival, or go to settings where you can check the controls. As you can see, you can use Snake by using 4 and 6, or with the left and right. Then you can change the colors of your Snake, manage music, pick language, and go to help for some further details, and info to check the about game info. So let me go back and let's start the game. Let's start. So just collect the cherries. And don't eat your edge, the end of yours. And now if you will fail, I will just show you how to. This is the game over. So I touched the end of the snake. And this is it. So here you can see your score right here. I just ate 17 cherries. And as you can see, you've got the notification that eat your body. So play it, enjoy, have fun, and score the best goals. And that's it. This is how Snake works here, how we can manage this game. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.